Hello, welcome to my channel. Sylvia here. Today we're going for a high-low hair bath. So if you're ready, let's go. Starting off with freshly washed hair. This is actually a braid out. Things you will need: a banana clip. Part the front section of your hair into two sections. Now pull your hair upwards, and here is where the banana clip comes in. Make sure you place all your hair inside the banana clip and you secure it well. Make the necessary adjustments. Fluff a little bit and put on a smile. Now section your hair into three parts. The back part, keep it aside. The right and the left side. Take the left side and tuck it under the right side of your hair. Do the same for the other side. Tuck it under the left side of your head. Now take the last piece that is left and tuck it in from back to front. As you can see, do the necessary adjustments, the finishing adjustments. Now fluff, fluff, fluff the right side and the left side of your hair that is down. Don't forget to put a smile on your face. Yeah. Continue to fluff for more volume. Yep. Just like that. Finishing touch. Hey, that really looks good actually. And that's ready to go. All done. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. After all, it's free. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. Bye.